Yesterday we looked into the storytelling aspects. What is storytelling? Why do we do storytelling? And the 2-3 things that was central to it, one was what? Sacred core, consciousness. Atma is the center of everything. Matter हम नहीं कहते हैं. We say consciousness and everything emanates from consciousness, manifests from that. Unlike the Western model which is matter is the center, उससे epiphenomenon is consciousness. We don't say that. So for us, sacrality of everything, consciousness at the core, oneness, यूनिवर्सैलिटी, ये सारे हमने देखी थी, और धर्म दृष्टि, एवरीथिंग अलाइन विद धर्म विच इज इन लाइन विद ऋता, कॉस्मिक ऑर्डर, ये कल तक हमने देखा था. अब इस आईकेएस लेंस क्या है, क्विकली विल सी एंड देन आई विल गिव यू सम प्रॉम्प्ट्स, देन यू कैन राइट. दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट इन आवर टेक्स्ट ऑफ साधारणीकरण. साधारण सबको पता है हिंदी में, तो साधारण, नॉर्मल, जनरल, यूनिवर्सल. सो करना साधारणीकरण, टू मेक इट नॉर्मल एंड जनरल. कम्युनिकेशन ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि सब वो यूनिवर्सल हो, जनरल हो, सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर आई स्टैंड. यूएस में कैसा है ना, देयर आर बुक्स कॉल्ड तेलुगु फॉर डमीज, आई डोंट नो इफ देयर इज दैट, कंप्यूटर फॉर डमीज, न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स फॉर डमीज, एवरीथिंग इज फॉर डमीज. दे मेक इट सो सिंपल, और 101, दे मेक इट सो बेसिक दैट एनीबडी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच एंड लर्न. तो कम्युनिकेशन इतना ईजी बना दिया है, जबकि ये हम लोगों का कम्युनिकेशन थियरी में है. इंडियन पोएटिक्स एंड लैंग्वेज टॉक्स अबाउट दिस थियरी ऑफ साधारणीकरण, दिस प्रोसेस. बट वी हैव टेकन अ वेरी डिफरेंट रूट आफ्टर आवर चेंज ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम बाय मैकॉली. अभी हम लोग क्या समझते हैं, कोई यहाँ खड़ा जैसे मेरे प्लेस में, तो आई हैव टू बी पेडेंटिक. अब देखो पेडेंटिक का अर्थ क्या हुआ है ना. सो आई हैव टू बी पेडेंटिक मतलब आई हैव टू यूज कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ड्स टू बी टेकन सीरियसली. अगर मैं सिंपल बोलूंगी तो आपको लगेगा ये क्या, कौन सी प्रोफेसर है आगे, हमें क्यों बिठा रही है 4 बजे. वी नो ऑल दिस, यू नो. सिंपल बोलते तो हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता. इट इज लाइक इफ समथिंग इज चीप, वी डोंट बाय इट. वी आर लाइक इट्स जस्ट, यू नो, चीप. इफ इट्स एक्सपेंसिव, अरे मुझे ब्रांडेड वो वाला चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स एक्सपेंसिव. सिमिलरली इफ इट्स साधारणीकरण, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, वी लाइक या दिस इज नॉट ऑफ एनी यूज. बट आवर कम्युनिकेशन थियोरी विच इज आवर शास्त्रीय कम्युनिकेशन थियोरी, एंड चैताली जी को पता होगा, आई थिंक वाक्यपदी में है कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो, बट साधारणीकरण इज the way to go, where whatever I am saying has to be transmitted to you in the same manner that you understand exactly what I am saying, without any lost in translation, also without a linear way of A to B जा रहा है, where both of us are A in a sense and we are holding that emotion or the rasa together. Okay, and that happens where rasa theory कहाँ आता है, सबसे ज्यादा नृत्य में आता है. नाट्य शास्त्र में, नमस्कार, नाट्य शास्त्र में नृत्य में आता है, नवरसाज हैं. सो जो डांसर डांस करती है, आप में वो भाव आता है, वो रस आता है. तो एक नायिका होती है, इज इट विप्रलंबा, व्हाट, वन नायिका व्हिच गिव्स, यू नो, अब आपके नायक कहीं चले गए हैं और वो दूर हैं, एंड जैसे राधा है, शी इज थिंकिंग ऑफ कृष्ण, यू नो, विरह का जो रस है ना. सो यू, हाँ, वियोग, हाँ, एंड देन शी डांसेस इन अ वे दैट यू आल्सो फील दैट लॉस ऑफ समथिंग. No, that emotion is conveyed to you. That is साधारणीकरण. तो जब भी आप लिखेंगे, in this case we are story writers at the moment, writers. So when you write something or when you podcast करोगी, निधि कहाँ है, podcast करोगी या कुछ लिखोगी, it has to, and which you are doing. That is what I liked yesterday, because you were able to reach me as an audience. Because I am not a young person. मैंने सुना, मैंने कहा, बड़ा अच्छा बोला इसने, है ना. So that is what you do, and it creates सहृदयता. It is self-explanatory. सहृदयता. So that emotion, that shared emotion we feel, that will come when there is साधारणीकरण. So कुछ भी अगर हम बोले, ये होना चाहिए कि सिंपल हो, इफेक्टिव हो, कम्युनिकेट अच्छे से हो. आपकी जैसे कविता थी कि हमें समझ आई, है ना. So it has to have that emotionally effective communication that we have to have, and it is not it is non-linear. ऐसे non-linear नहीं होना चाहिए. It is where we are holding it together. अब वेस्टर्न मॉडल से डिफरेंट ये है हमारा, पर अभी हम लोग वो कर नहीं रहे हैं. Whereas, like I said, in the US, they have adopted these things. They make communication very simple. Very, very complex topics, they come up with books which are so easy to understand. So that we should definitely imbibe, है ना. जबकि हमारा है, ये पूंजी हमारी है. So Navarasas, we know, we don't have to go into this. We know, all of us know, but it is basically a very refined experience. It's a shared contemplative experience. And if we get into any one rasa, it can lead us to Shanta. You know, if you explore one rasa completely, you are in it completely, it can take us to Shanta, and Shanta rasa keeps you ready for the next level. ये साधना है. अब योगा टीचर यहाँ बताएंगे कि if you go through your जो भी steps हैं अष्टांग योग में, तो आप धारण करेंगे, ध्यान करेंगे, तो समाधि में पहुंच जाएंगे. So any one thing you take up, you can literally go to samadhi and then get moksha. So it is a designed in the system automatically. So Abhinav Gupta की एक पुस्तक है अभिनव भारती जो नाट्य शास्त्र पे commentary है. He talks about the 8-9 ways in which there are obstacles, 7 I think, 7 ways which are obstacles to good communication or good writing. So 2-3 things, I mean it is very self-explanatory. अगर हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, आप realistic आप लिख रहे हैं account of today's workshop and you say my mind soared and you're writing a realistic account and you say and the chairs also soared with me. So that won't hold good. If you're writing some magic realism, ठीक है. आप अगर उसका ऐसे कुछ लिख रहे हैं गैब्रियल गार्सिया मार्केस की तरह लिख रहे हैं, then it's okay. But if you're writing a realistic account, you can say mind soared because it's acceptable because mind can soar. You cannot say chair also flew with me or soared with me, है ना? So within that world जो आप build कर रहे हैं, what world building you're doing, you have to be true to that. And you cannot also say, for example, illogical आप नहीं कर सकते अगर आप realistic लिख रहे हैं. So that's why when we watch a movie, if it is a kind of a art movie जिसे हम कहते हैं, उसमें कुछ unwanted elements आ जाए, suddenly एक rain dance आ गया, Bollywood type dance आ गया, अजीब लगेगा. Whereas if it is a Bollywood movie, we accept it because उसका वो formula एक वैसा ही है ना? There are a lot of obstacles to good communication. It could even be that the audience is not ready. अगर कोई sad event चल रहा है बाहर और मैं यहाँ पे हंस के कुछ अपना communicate कर रही हूँ, it is not correct because बाहर एक tragedy है और मैं ऐसे. Or if it is very happy occasion कि हमने कुछ cricket match जीत लिया है और मैं यहाँ पे कुछ दुखड़ा यहाँ सुना रही हूँ, then again it is wrong communication. So you have to have whether there is focus in the audience, whether there are distractions or not, ये सब हमें we have to take into account. This all comes in that WASP. विषय, then WASP. अधिकारी, प्रयोजना. तो अगर हम देखेंगे अधिकारी कौन है ना, उसमें पूरा आंसर हो जाता है. जैसे you know you're making videos, so who's your audience? You're clear. और आपने कविता लिखी तो आपको भी क्लियर है कि किसको सुनाएंगे, कौन समझेगा, है ना? So having that in mind is very important. So solutions वही है, you know, you have to connect with your audience, make it universal, have a particular rasa in mind that you want to evoke in your audience. जो भी आप लिख रहे हैं, आप क्या evoke करना चाहते हैं? So if the movie has, for example, श्रृंगार रस, तो आप एक लव स्टोरी देख रहे हैं, तो श्रृंगार अधिक होना चाहिए. Then you will connect with that love story. If it has only भयानका और भीभत्सा, तो confusion हो जाता है. Most of our movies have everything, all the rasas, but there is a one predominant rasa. If it is a hit movie, उसमें एक रस बहुत predominant होगा, इसलिए हम connect कर पा रहे हैं. तो when you write, you think who is the audience, प्रयोजन क्या है, मैं क्यों लिख रही हूँ, and what can be the main rasa. So we'll quickly go through these few elements of IKS lens and then we'll get to the writing exercises. तो knowledge भारतीय परंपरा में या भारतीय संस्कृति में ज्ञान को हम सबसे ऊंचा हम स्थाई उसको देते हैं. I don't like to say दर्जा, so उसे स्थाई देते हैं, but I don't know if स्थाई goes with देते हैं और the gender, I'm not sure. So we have Guru Purnima, we did Saraswati Puja just now, Medha Suktam, Vidyarambham, अपनी जो संस्कार हैं सारे they revolve around knowledge. And when you say Vidya, there are two types of Vidya. One is Para, as we know, which is self, and then Apara. And Vidya itself comes from Vid, Jnane, Vicharane, Labhe, which literally means you can reflect upon it. It is Labhe, it is useful to you and something to know. Versus Apara Vidya में जो व्यवहार में है, it is all doom scrolling करते हैं हम सब. पापा मम्मी लोग भी वही WhatsApp में करते हैं, हम भी वही करते हैं reels and shorts में. So everything, this is not ज्ञान ना, in the sense, the test is it something you can reflect upon? Is it being useful to you and others? And is it something to know? Yes, you get to know information, but उससे क्या लाभ हो रहा है? अपना लाभ हो रहा है और किसी और का लाभ हो रहा है? लाभ नहीं हो रहा है and it is not reflective worthy, then you know that it is a waste of my time. But any which way, these are the various aspects of Vidya and at the core of it is that we are Sachidanand. Paravidya में यही पता चलता है कि the ultimate reality is Sachidanand, that is the consciousness. Ananda, that is the joy, right? And this is not a belief system. It is not that I believe I am Ananda. I believe I am, not Paramatma, Jivatma. Maybe I believe I am Paramatma. So like Jivatma. It's not about belief. It is something that you can do, like she is doing a sadhana of yoga. तो आप करके आप वहाँ पहुँच सकती हैं, आप उसको अनुभव कर सकते हैं. And even within a few hatha asanas करके we get to know the difference. And especially if you're a dancer or a musician or a singer, like she sings, when you sing, you can experience that anubhav, that rasa, and you have it transform you. Because whatever we do in our classical arts in Indian knowledge systems, martial arts bhi kare, kuch bhi kare, even pure sciences if you study, it is very transformative. But because it has this whole system, inbuilt system of taking you to moksha, because it is dharma baddha, it is bound to dharma, and then it is something that transforms you, because if you give attention to one thing completely, it is a sadhana, it is like dhyana, and it is dharana, it will take you to samadhi, it will prepare you for the next step, which is moksha. So lens, icons lens के साथ align करने के लिए few elements हैं. Yesterday we talked about it. Make sure you are aligning with dharma drishti. आप धर्म के lens में देखेंगे सब कुछ. Make sure there is maryada, that you are not, maryada का उल्लंघन नहीं कर रहे हैं. Maryada in a way is a boundary that you how should I say, refined boundary that you're not crossing, into another space. Interestingly, Western world में physical space बहुत होता है. Mental space, I would say, and I'm sure others will agree when you think about it, you're not given that mental space because you're supposed to think in a certain way, right? कि सभी एक ही brand को follow करेंगे, सभी एक ही चीज करेंगे, us versus them है. The religious thought process is also very like linear, and you're supposed to follow one particular thing. You can't have a free mind. वहाँ पे freedom of physical space है. I feel mental space is not explored as much. Whereas for us, you know how much physical space we have. Although IIT Kanpur, I must say, is very beautiful and has a lot of space. In general, Bharat mein this is a luxury. So इतना space नहीं होता है. मुझे कमरा भी बहुत बड़ा सा मिला है. So I was expecting a very small guest room है, छोटा सा. I was like, wow, इसमें दो bed हैं, very nice. So it's very huge. But in general, we are constrained for space. But our mental space is vast. We are very liberal people because we have allowed this part to be very open. कोई यहाँ पे अपना they can't take control of this, and that is why we have so many darshanas. आस्तिका हमारे 10 दर्शन हैं और 3-4 तो नास्तिक दर्शन हैं. कितने सारे दर्शन हैं, उसके अलावा जो आया हमने बोला हाँ आ जाओ. So we don't have a problem over here. We are very open here. Physical space is lacking, but that freedom हम लोग उल्लंघन हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. मर्यादा जो है, keep that, and that is a part of IKS lens. And freedom is also about not doing something. So when you look at something, when you look at some angles of writing stories, we should remember that there is freedom in also not doing something. You're creating a character and she says, I want the freedom to wear what I want. जैसे लड़कियां हैं, teenage है, हमने भी किया बचपन में, मुझे पहनना है, मेरा right है, मुझे पहनना है. I want the freedom to eat and wear what I want. Freedom is also about not wearing something at certain times, not eating something at certain times. So freedom is also in the not just in what you do, right? And पदकल्पना कल हमने बात की थी इस पे. All the words will carry the culture in them, and everything, the vision of the philosophy of the civilization is in the words. उस पे आप विचार करिए, है ना? And write about those things so that the civilization flows through in the writing. Then the way you address people, we talked about it, and using quotes which are, ये नीचे चला गया, but anyway, the quotes which are from our shastra, which make sense. And this I used in this particular deck because I am talking. And how should I talk? Anudvegakaram vakyam satyam priyam hitam chayat swadhyaya abhyasanam chaiva vangmayam tapa uchyate. How should I speak? I should speak so that आप लोगों में कोई disturbance ना हो. Anudvegakaram, उद्वेग नहीं होना चाहिए. It has to be satyam, it has to be truthful. Whatever I am telling should be fact checked, and it should not be मेरा you conjecture something. It should be priyam, प्यार से बात करना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं तो क्यों बैठेंगे आप लोग? You'll be like bye, see you. हाँ. And hitan chayat, it has to also be beneficial to you. अगर मैं प्यार से ऐसी कुछ nonsense बात कर रही हूँ, if it is not useful to you, you're not going to sit here with your pen and paper. So all these are, of course, it's tapa, it's vak tapas, which is suggested in chapter 17 of the Bhagavad Gita. तो वाक तपस में ये होता है कि बाकियों के लिए बेनिफिशियल हो बोलने से, प्रियम हो, प्यार से बोलिए, और सत्य हो, और किसी को अगर आप सत्य बोल भी रहे हैं, सबसे पहले अनुद्वेगकरम आता है. डोंट टेल ट्रूथ जैसे आप भांडा फोड़ दिया आपने ना, ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए. सत्य तभी बोलना चाहिए वेदर इट्स यूजफुल टू समबडी. नहीं मैं तो सच बोलती हूँ यार. एक थोड़ा है वेस्ट में कि आई डोंट लाई. समटाइम्स द व्हाइट लाइज आल्सो दे विल बी लाइक आई डोंट लाई. आई वाज लाइक लाई की बात नहीं है, किसी को ठेस पहुंच रहा है, इसका कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, तो you don't have to just break the truth, just keep quiet if you don't want to say anything. So it doesn't mean that just because it's the truth you're supposed to just say it anytime, anywhere, anyhow. इसके भी नियम हैं, इसकी भी मर्यादा है. And हाँ, कन्या, I think they're right. चिरंजीवी, सौभाग्यवती, कन्या और समथिंग. ये ल में मेरे को देखना है. हमारे यहाँ लिखते हैं चीसौला, ऐसे करके लिखते हैं, चीसौला लिखते हैं. I'm going to ask. Then attributes. So आप जब किसी कैरेक्टर को लिखेंगे ना, write with describing their characteristics. Rajasic गुण है, tamasic है, सात्विक है. We don't use that lens. We'll just say, oh, he's working in so and so company and he's married with 2 children. ऊपर ही का. अगर उसके गुण को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे वो IKS लेंस होगा, गुण के प्रकार उसको लिखिए. एंड ये जैसे ये लेटेस्ट टर्म्स हैं आजकल, यूनिवर्सल एपिस्टीम बोलते हैं हम, बृहति बोलता है IKS, that is it's universally used. So keep in touch with the latest whatever the terminology that you can use in your writings. This is very important. We have no word like haq in our Indian languages. Haq is an Arabic Arabic word. And then universal behavior hai hamara. Like I talked about yesterday, diversity is not discrimination. And there is no in and out group. हम लोगों में us, IKS design में no us versus them. Everybody is in the in group. There is no like अगर ये belief system आप believe नहीं करते हो then you are the outsider. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना? And the always all that we do ends with a universal prayer. सबने सुना होगा सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया. तो इसमें क्या है? सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखं भाग्. किसी को भी दुख नहीं होना चाहिए. It's not like only Nidhi should not be unhappy or only Arnab ji should not. ऐसा नहीं. मा कश्चित् दुःखं भाग्. It's universal. These are important elements to keep in mind when you write something. Yeah? Okay, so ये तो ऐसे excuse the photos. I just wanted to make it very clear. And so I didn't want gender bias, so I had a nice man like sitting and meditating. ठीक है? So IKS में क्या है? Whether you do yoga like she does, whether you do music like she does, or whether you write poetry like she does, or do your social media, इन सब में क्या है? We experience it completely. IKS का अर्थ ये है, vision ये है, that you have to experience to make it transformative. ऊपर से आप फिजिकली कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन पढ़ रहे हैं, डूम स्क्रोलिंग कर रहे हैं, अपर आप लेवल में रहेंगे, इट इज जस्ट सुपरफिशियल. यू आर नॉट लेटिंग इट ट्रांसफॉर्म यू, राइट? सो इट ट्रांसफॉर्म्स यू एंड यू गो इनवर्ड. एंड द रीजन यू आर इंडिपेंडेंट इज योर माइंड इज इंडिपेंडेंट. योर माइंड इज फ्री फ्रॉम थिंकिंग इफ ही थिंक्स लाइक मी, माई वे और हाईवे नहीं होगा. सी टिपिकली पीपल इफ दे से माई वे और हाईवे, राइट? बट वी आर नॉट सच थिंकर्स. इंडियन civilizationally, if you are thinking, you never think like that, because you think you encompass everybody and everything over here. There is no out group because of the oneness, because inherently genetically we have this knowledge ki sab kuch ek hai, right? So that oneness is kind of embedded in our DNA in a sense, right? And that is a very powerful thing, and that makes us very independent. We are not constantly seeking validation ki मैं ऐसे सोच सकती हूँ क्या, वैसे सोच सकती हूँ क्या. We are free to think. That's why we came up with so many darshanas and so much diversity, है ना? तो एंड कंप्लीट फ्रीडम है, बिकॉज मोक्ष है अल्टीमेटली. मोक्ष क्या होता है? वंस यू नो योर सेल्फ, यू आर नॉट इनसिक्योर, यू आर नॉट फियरफुल, यू आर नॉट अनहैप्पी, बिकॉज यू आर कंप्लीट. योर कल पूरी याद है ना? सो वी आर पूर्णम. सो व्हेन यू नो दैट यू आर पूर्णम, यू आर आनंदा ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ आनंदा. कहाँ है? पहले तो इट इज फेक इट मेक इट, बिकॉज आई मीन आई नो इट थियोरेटिकली, बट ऑब्वियसली मैं पागल कुत्ते को देखती हूँ डर जाती हूँ. मैं ये एक्सपेरिमेंट भी किया. कुत्ता बैठा है, मैंने वेदांता पढ़ा है क्लास, अभी मैं जा रही हूँ, वो भौंक रहा है. I was like, I am Paramatma, I am Satchidananda, I should be able to cross this. वो भगो करता है, फिर पीछे जाओ. उफ, 1 घंटे से मैं सुन रही हूँ क्या हो रहा है. I should go. Then I told Swamiji, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. You know that he says that you're still in the identification of the body. जब तक आप body identification में हो, वो काटेगा. You're a human, it's a mad dog. So you cannot lie next to a mad dog, because a dog doesn't know that you've studied Vedanta. है ना? So don't be foolish. So when you get out of body identification, आप शरीर से आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करते हैं, तब शरीर के साथ कुछ भी होता है ना, आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Then it doesn't matter. कुत्ता गांठ भी देता है तो doesn't matter, वो भय नहीं रहेगा. तो जब तक भय है, it is a constant pull and push. जब तक भय है, maybe today I took 2 steps, tomorrow I may take another step, maybe I'll take another step, maybe I'll go back again, maybe I'll go forward again. We don't know. It's a pull and push. So जो संत आदमी है उसको तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, काटो करो कुछ भी करो. They don't have body identification. जब तक I have body identification, I have to be careful, because the कुत्ता, I cannot blame the कुत्ता, वो तो mad dog है ना? So these kind of confusions arise. And then community. Even though we are independent, we are not seeking validation from others. If you're in IKS mode, जो योगा कर रहा है, जो नृत्य कर रहा है, वो किसी से सीख, मतलब they don't seek validation कि मेरे कितने likes हुए, कितने followers है, वो सब नहीं होता है. सोच सकते हैं, but to get lost in that is seeking validation, is insecurity, right? So a community feeling hai that you work towards the benefit for everybody. That is a very Indian thing, a very community, any culture which is community based has that. Whereas of course just the opposite would be. See here you look at the difference. There is a lot of dependence if it's non-IKS. You're depending on others for validation. You want others to accept you, others to say you're good. हाँ, and उससे क्या होगा? it is actually individualistic thinking, because I want to be liked, I want to be followed, I want to be somebody special. So that makes it a very individualistic thinking. It's a very external oriented, non-experiential, non-transformative thinking. Because transform kab hote ho aap? From this person in body mind complex of this kavita, I let go of this ego and connect with that oneness, that Purnam, right? That is expanding myself. The more raga dveshas I have, the smaller I am, because I'm more and more egoistic. Ahankar badhta hai. The more and more I let go of my raga dvesh and my likes and dislikes, I'm slowly expanding myself to contain in that oneness, right? So individualistic wo hota hai jo bahut swarthi hota hai. So if so my mother's worst insult is to call me selfish. मम्मी को और कोई मतलब bad words नहीं आते हैं. तो तेलुगु में बहुत सारे संस्कृत वर्ड्स हैं, जैसे स्वार्थम स्वार्थम, तो इतने ऐसे बोलती है ना, ऐसा लगता है कि बाप रे क्या गाली दे दी. दैट इज हर वर्स्ट गाली. वो सुन के मेरा बहुत ऐसे ना मन नहीं हो जाता है, बिकॉज दैट इज द वर्स्ट गाली. आई फील वेरी हॉरिबल. लाइक शी फाइंड्स दैट द वर्स्ट थिंग यू कैन डू इज टू बी सेल्फिश और सेल्फ सेंटर्ड. एनीवे, सो वो सब हो गया. डिड आई मिस एनीथिंग? ना. सो कमिंग टू वेयर द नॉलेज इज स्टेमिंग फ्रॉम, वी हैव आर, this is Ashtadasha, how many dashas of Vidyasthanas you want to see? Yes. So Shruti is of course Apaurushaya. In the Indian knowledge systems we say that it has not been written down, rishis have seen it. And then you have the Smriti, which is written down, Itihasa Purana, which is our history and our stories. And in the Puranas you have all the cosmology and everything. Then you have the Agamas, which is how the temples are built, your systems. And the Darshanas, which are only here, only the Vaidika, as in the Astika Darshanas. Now, when people say, hame knowledge nahi mila, nahi mila, nahi mila, which is wrong, the core of the philosophy from here, which was Shruti, has been taken and put here in the Bhagavad Gita, which is part of the Smritis, like Itihasa Purana. So, Ramayana Mahabharata kisko nahi pata? So, we have Kathakars, we have Harikatha, we have dance dramas, Yakshak Gana, we have Baluchari saris जिसमें weave होता है, we have jewelry, हर जगह तो रामायण महाभारत है. So we cannot say that this has not been given to people. And then पुराणों में और भी कहानियां हैं, the whole genealogy, cosmology, everything, and all that is there. So it has been transformed from a very abstract form to a very concrete form. तो temples बने हैं आगमा में, तो यहाँ जो abstract था उसको concretize किया गया. So this is in the increasing order of concretization, right? So all this is available for us to write upon. But if you don't want to write upon the stories themselves, इनके जो value systems हैं, that would be our value systems. So moksha, as we know, and oneness is something important to remember, which is what Satchidananda means, and we are all that one and manifestation of that. Okay, and a few points to remember. अब Aryan invasion theory के बारे में मत लिख देना. Keep track of what is happening. It has been debunked, kind of. Maybe read up a few, maybe watch, जैसे इंडिका करती हैं, books करते हैं, ये लोग YouTube करते हैं, संगम है, talks है, प्राच्यम. So just read up to be aware, right? So these kind of things you should be aware, and पूर्व पक्ष सब जगह करना चाहिए. So if you want to write on something, always due diligence of what the other side is saying, what you want to say, what is the middle ground, and again middle ground करके who is your adhikari and what is the prayojana. वो wasp तो भूलना मत, wasp तो करना ही है. So let's come to the 10 prompts. So I have 10 exercises, 10 prompts. Now I'll go through one by one very quickly because I want you to give more time to write. तो जो आपको अच्छा लगा ना, I'll keep it for like a minute or two. कुछ भी अच्छा लग रहा है, make a note of which you want to write on. So we'll keep a timer also, ठीक है? And photo लेना है, photo ले लो जो आपको करना है. There are 5 slides if you want to take a picture. So first one is, I mean it's self-explanatory. I don't want to waste time, ठीक है? ये 2 हैं और totally 10 हैं I think. So this is 1. ठीक है? Next, should I go to the next? If you like anyone, just make a note right away and then you start working on it. तो लिखिएगा second, ठीक है? जो भी अच्छा लगा immediately start कर लो. You go to your corner and start writing, and put your phones on silent so that disturb नहीं होगा when you start writing. Should I go to the next one? Next, should I go to the next? Done? Actually, each of this can be a separate workshop only. है ना? Each of this you take and or at least 1 or 2 and we can writing कर सकते हैं वो कभी आराम से. ठीक है? Okay? Anita ji? Yeah. मुझे पता है आप किस पे लिखने वाली हैं. आई एम ट्राइंग टू सी हाउ मच आई नो यू पीपल बाय फिगरिंग आउट हु विल राइट ऑन व्हाट. या ठीक है, ऑल राइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. प्लीज टेक योर सीट्स एंड maybe I'll call out and we'll keep a alarm for 35 minutes, then by the time we collect 40 minutes हो जाएगा. ठीक है.